after Yusuf alayhi salam is released from jail, the king calls him over and he says, today you are highly esteemed and fully trusted by us. SubhanAllah, right? And after all the trauma that Yusuf alayhi salam endured, in this situation, what do you imagine that he would do? Do you imagine that he would just kind of shyly thank him, that he might, cower away and everything? Because a lot of times events in our lives can make us feel really shaken. But what does Yusuf alayhi salam do? He actually advocates for himself, subhanAllah. Yusuf alayhi salam now in ayah 55 proposes, put me in charge of the storehouses of the land, for I am honest and knowledgeable. And so for us in our lives, think about when you go through a difficult experience, sometimes it can shake the way that you view yourself and lead to a sense of self-doubt. But instead, consider the strengths and the qualities that you needed to get through this situation and see yourself through that lens in the same way that Yusuf alayhi salam saw himself.